evening everyone, I'm Minji Media and this is the weather forecast of Brazil. In Sao Paulo, the day is mostly cloudy with a high of 25%, 77 Fahrenheit and low of 13 Celsius, 55 Fahrenheit. An orange alert has been issued for a significant temperature drop starting Thursday, with temperatures expected to decrease by more than 5 Celsius, posing health risk. Rio de Janeiro is partly sunny with a high of 29 Celsius, 85 Fahrenheit and low of 25 Celsius, 71 Fahrenheit, and a similar orange alert temperature decline has been issued. Salvador is partly sunny with a high of 28 Celsius, 83 Fahrenheit, and a low of 25 Celsius, 76 Fahrenheit. Recife is experiencing a couple of morning showers. Otherwise, partly sunny with a high of 30 Celsius, 86 Fahrenheit, and a low of 24 Celsius, 75 Fahrenheit. Remains sunny and breezy of high 31 Celsius and 88 Fahrenheit and low of 20 Celsius, 78 and Fahrenheit. Salvador is partly sunny with a high of 28 Celsius, 83 Fahrenheit, experiencing with a couple of morning showers. Otherwise, partly sunny with a high of 30 Celsius, 86 Fahrenheit, and a low of 24 Celsius, 75 Fahrenheit. For Talaza, remains sunny and breezy with a high of 31 Celsius and low of 25 Celsius. Northern Brazil, Manaus, Belém, and Macapia. Manaus is sunny to partly cloudy with a high of 33 Celsius, with 91 Fahrenheit and a low of 25 Celsius, 77 Fahrenheit. Belém is sunny and hot with a high of 34 Celsius, 94 Fahrenheit, and a low of 25 Celsius, 76 Fahrenheit. Macapia is experiencing a shower in a place in the morning. Otherwise, partly sunny in the hot with a high of 33 Celsius, 91 Fahrenheit, and a low of 25 Celsius, 77 Fahrenheit. Central Brazil, Campo Grande, Cuiabá. Campo Grande is under an orange alert for storms, with showers and thunderstorms in the morning, followed by cooler conditions and brightening sky with a high of 17 Celsius, 63 Fahrenheit, and a low of 6.3 Celsius, Fahrenheit, 43. Cuiabá is experiencing a couple of thunderstorms in the morning, otherwise cloudy, with a high of 23 Celsius, 74 Fahrenheit, and a low of 14 Celsius, 57 Fahrenheit. Overall, Brazil is experiencing a mix of sunny, cloudy, and stormy conditions, with some regions under weather alerts due to temperature drops in storm activity. Thank you. And that's all.
Especially the coastal areas and the places where entertainment